How much disk space do Windows System Restore Points use? Imagine having a safety net for your computer that can catch you when things go wrong. That safety net is built by creating System Restore Points. But have you ever wondered how much space these safety nets take up on your computer? Well, let's find out. Windows System Restore Points use a part of your hard drive that is set aside specifically for storing snapshots of your system files and settings. The amount of space allocated for these restore points is not fixed. It can be changed by you or your system administrator. Usually, this space is set as a percentage of your total disk size, often between 5 and 10%. For example, if you have a 100 gigabyte drive, the space reserved for restore points might be between 5 and 10 gigabytes. Each restore point generally needs about 1 gigabyte of disk space. This can vary depending on how much your system has changed since the last restore point was created. The system keeps track of the space used and automatically deletes the oldest restore points when the allocated space limit is reached. This way, your disk does not fill up with restore points and keeps functioning smoothly. If you set the maximum disk space for restore points too high, it could take up a large chunk of your drive, leaving less space for your files and programs. On the other hand, if you set it too low, you might not have enough restore points to go back to if something goes wrong. You can change this setting easily through the system protection options in Windows. There is a slider that lets you decide how much space to dedicate to restore points. Sometimes, restore points can unexpectedly use a lot of space, especially if your drive is small or if the default percentage is high. To manage this, you can reduce the allocated space, delete older restore points manually, or turn off and then turn on System Restore again to clear all existing points. From a management perspective, creating restore points is a helpful way to recover from errors or issues. But it's important to balance how much disk space you allocate for them. This balance depends on your storage size and how many restore points you want to keep. In summary, Windows System Restore Points usually use between 5 and 10% of your disk space by default. Each restore point can take about 1 gigabyte of space. When the allocated space is full, older restore points are automatically deleted. You can adjust the maximum space through the system protection settings. If needed, you can reduce space usage by deleting old restore points or changing your settings. This process is similar across Windows 10 and Windows 11. Managing this space wisely helps keep your system safe and your storage available for your files.